Well, this is starting to become a habit. This is Blizzard 2011 in Carteret County. There's Ruby. We just had someone plow into the ditch out in front of the house, and I missed out on it. But, as you can see, we're covered in snow for the second time this year. No, actually, was the first one last year? Anyway, second time this winter. Stinky poopy! I'm gonna do some donuts. Alright, go ahead. Would you run? Cause somebody left it in the restroom. Well, we ain't gonna tell them right now, are we? Hey, why don't you run from this way so in case you slip or trip, you don't fall into the concrete. Okay, run.